like, yeah, I'm Dana. I was like, oh, really? Okay. Are we hopping?
We hopping, baby. Here she is. Yep. Looks about how I remembered it.
Is this the place?
No, it's actually beyond this. Now let's see if we can still fit inside of her. She ain't. Oh, fuck. I must just.
No. Like a gas station or something. Ryan always goes. Oh, yeah.
There she is. Yeah, pretty shit.
Pretty shit. Some pretty poop.
Got the couch.
Paradise.
I knew I wasn't that drunk. I was like, that place is probably open, but I was intoxicated. But it looked pretty fucked from what I remember. What is that?
It's a TV?
That can't be a TV. That looks like way too shitty to be a TV.
It's too heavy.
It's like a large, it's like a large plate for all these walnuts now, basically.
Yeah.
A door stopper.
I think this is the Squirrel Kingdom now or something.
Yeah.
Oh, this is it. This is where I'll live. Oh, it even has a back door. Oh, and the floor is gone. That's downstairs. Inadvertently, it seems. So there's literally a basement, though.
Basement? Whoa, I thought it was just a hole in the...
Me too.
I didn't see the...
Well, maybe
bricks
there's an
down there.
actual basement to it.
It's probably an extra somewhere.
I don't know, I might be too terrified to take this way.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. So, okay, so these are not stairs here. I think the floor just fell in is all that happened. So I'm going to back up from this ledge. Hey, look at this. You could tickle someone's nose with this. Fly away. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there wasn't shit in here.
You look great.
Oh, thanks. Wow.
I look retarded every fucking second.
So this is the front porch, as we can tell.
I was like, oh shit, hey.
This would have been the front door, technically.
You said it to the guy?
I didn't talk to him like I knew him. I wasn't like, hey, how's it going?
You wear
How's it going?
functional Crocs.
Yeah.
I'm worried about your feet, Matthew.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Oops.
Just watch it.
This beautiful washing machine, of course. See, we didn't go in this room. It's more like a closet, if anything.
My grandmothers are both dead. Yeah.
Maybe this is the fucking basement. Oh shit, okay, this is the entrance to the basement. This is in this fucking shed closet bullshit. Fuckery. That's great.
You gonna take that mop home?
What?
You gonna take this mop home?
Yeah, we can clean it up and mop the floors and shit. Yeah, it's probably a wig. Oh, that doorway almost became a wig for me. Yeah, we went through there. There's like a area over here. Oh, so there's this whole other section over here.
Yeah, dog.
It must have been blocked by the couch or something. Yeah, like, I didn't notice this door over here. Oh, and then this is how you get to the upstairs. It looks to me. There's this fucking door just not go anywhere.
That's it, I'm doing it.
Door goes fucking nowhere.
I mean, they feel mostly.
Oops. They're just a little slanted, and they kind of bend under your feet, too.
Do they?
Yeah, a little bit.
I feel like it. All right, one at a time, one at a time.
It's like pop, pop, pop. The fucking house is slanted. What is this shit? Yeah.
All right.
Ain't looking too good. I don't know how stable this shit is.
Whoa. Is that shaking down there if I...
Under our tremendous thickness. I can feel it shake when you do it, at least.
Oh, yeah. We'll just walk on...
Oops. The floor shatters. Whew, I thought the floor broke for a second there.
Yeah, just make sure your stuff is steady.
Floor is paper thin up here. A little bit.
Paper thin everywhere.
Yeah, just don't get too close to me. I don't know if it'll hold our tremendous weight, our massive balls. Look how fucking thin the floor is, though. I don't like that at all. Oh, it's hardly a closet at all. Oh my god. I'm so glad I'm not fucking obese. There's nothing really in here. It's just a fucking crawl space. What the fuck? There's shells up here. Get my fucking light. There's like, I don't know if the camera's seeing that or not. There's like seashells right there. It's like a bunch of fucking seashells back here. There's Sally went to the fucking seashore singing sea shanties, picking seashells. She didn't sell any of them, obviously, so she just fucking hoarded them in here like the bitch she is. Fucking bitch. Okay. Just chilling. Chilling in my new pad. It could use some work, but that's all right. The floor's a little shaky, achy. Somewhat of a roof. Somewhat of a roof, at least. Matt, did you like jump out?
No.
Oh, I thought you like just jumped out through the massive hole in the wall.
You do it. What are you, too much of a pussy?
We gotta see the basement too, I think. There's this over here. Oh, whoa, what is this? A gun? A gun? Oh, never mind. I thought it's half a gun. It's half a gun. It's not even a full fucking gun. Yeah, it's like rusty and poopy. Is it even like a toy? What is this? That sucks. Fuck, this probably used to be, yeah, this is the under area of the stairs. Oh, there you are. I thought you guys were hiding from me.
There he is!
You scared me.
I came out of the bathroom? No, on the bridge.
On the bridge. That was so funny though. Like, anyways, oops, I'm like slipping. I'm fucking slipping. If I slip, then I'm slipping. Okay,
Pardon me?
let me just test these stairs. These honestly feel way better than the fucking other ones did.
Do they now?
Yeah, I wouldn't step on it with 2 people or anything.
But 3!
Okay, there's where we thought the stairs were. All these fucking pipes and masonry jars down here. This looks like every fucking basement we've ever been in. Just stones. And, oh wait, there's the outside steps. Okay, maybe I'm not
Oh, yeah.
crazy after all.
Say it, but then Matt just did. And then you guys were all like, Matt!
I didn't care, but like,
Well,
all that shit, boys. That's that one.
damn. Oh, we can. If we can bring this.
Oh, hell yeah, we'll need that.
I thought it was squishy by the look of it. It's not.
Because we don't ever touch that stuff in our toilets at home that I would know of. What the fuck is this right here?
Super good.
Is this a VCR? What is this? What is that? Apparently they didn't want us to find it because it's covered up.
Enveloped in like the ground, but that's like a rug on it, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Something fuzzy. Oh, but we didn't get on the roof.
Oh, we could have gotten on the roof, but I don't know if I'd want to.
Yeah, I was gonna say I wouldn't want to, but you could.
What is this thing? Is this like a bazooka? What is this? What is this? It's made in Taiwan. Someplace called This Side Up? Never heard of it. Oh. Where is This Side Up? You ever heard of it?
They just friggin' take out cars as they drive by and they're spoken.
That's probably why no one lives here anymore. They probably had to run from the police.
What does it say? This side up?
Yeah, never heard of
says
it.
Upright, I guess.
Oh, so it's not a place you're telling me? Oh, of course not.